What's up, guys? Welcome to the Bodie Outdoors channel. I'm Bodie and we're outdoors. We got a cool little video today. We're just gonna put the boats in on the river. We're gonna go downstream, find us a little sandbar, stick some lines in the water, try and catch a few catfish. We're gonna be cooking a campfire lunch also. It's gonna be pretty fun. We got the whole crew with us here today. Let's get into it. Got the boat in the water and the motor still runs, so that's nice. We'll go put Holder's boat in and wait on Dylan, Omar, and Kyle. Boats are both in the water right now. We're just waiting on Dylan and Omar to show up. Kyle's here. Got this new Catfish Commando. Pretty excited about that. Hopefully it'll catch me a couple fish. I've been eyeballing it for about 6 months. Finally broke down and bought it. Figured the other fishing pole's not really good enough to catch a 40-pound cat on, but I could be wrong. Boats are in. It's not looking like Dylan's gonna come, so we're gonna go find us a sandbar, post up. Found us a good little spot. Nice little sandbar, not far from the boat ramp. Get these lines in the water. Show you our little setup that we got here. Probably overkill. We got 60-pound braid coming to here. That weight will sink down. This will float up. I'm gonna have the goldfish on there, so it keeps that goldfish up off the bottom, keeps it in place, because that river's moving pretty hard. Probably just gonna cast out that way. If that don't catch a fish, I don't think there's a fish in this river. Got the goldfish. Got these little bells on my rod. I need you to sit there and watch that. Don't let it go nowhere. So we picked up this grill from Walmart today. Got our firewood ready. Got a little hole dug underneath it. Gonna be cooking some hot dogs for lunch. Should be a pretty good little time. Hope it tastes good. Hope we catch a fish. We've been out for about an hour. Have not caught a fish yet. No bites either. But Dylan just showed up. Party's here. We're gonna keep fishing for a little while. Probably light the fire here in a minute. Get lunch cooking. So we're going to be starting this fire the old way, flint and steel. I don't know what that is. Started off a lot easier than I thought it would. Fire's going pretty good. We'll let that die down. Get these hot dogs and sausages put on there. Get some lunch in us. just had one. We know there's fish in there, but thinking it was a gar or a turtle, because tried to set the hook and it just yanked it out of his mouth. We get another minnow on there and try again. Hot dogs are just about ready. About to get these buns toasted up, have a little lunch. Check that rig out. We got lunch down, got the fire put out. We're just gonna pull these lines up and move down river a little ways. We're not really catching anything here, so can't hurt to try somewhere else. We're in the water. We got all our stuff cleaned up, got the fire put out nice and good. We're gonna go downstream and try and find us a decent little sandbar, maybe like a little eddy in the river, something that's swirling around, not as much current. I feel like that's probably where the catfish are, but I could be wrong. I thought they were back there. Current's going that way. Try right in there. See what we can get. Well, that spot turned out to be a dud as well. We sat for about an hour, no bites, no sign of life in the water at all. So we loaded everything up. We're gonna head back to the truck, get these boats loaded up and head to the house. Well guys, the fishing trip may have been a skunk, but the company was fantastic. The food was phenomenal. We had a great time overall. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.